Wait, why did he say it's raining cats and dogs? I'm scared to go outside.
You're looking at the sky like animals will fall on you.
So, English is joking with me now.
No, English is using idioms, and that's the problem today. Many learners understand words but freeze when natives use idioms.
Today, you will learn idioms natives use every day. By the end, you will understand them and say them naturally.
Like the video and subscribe if English feels confusing sometimes.
Okay, real life. We are late for work.
Very late.
The bus is gone, the rain is heavy, and my boss is strict.
Great. Perfect English stress test.
I'll tell my boss, sorry, animals fell from the sky.
Please don't. That's wrong English.
But you said cats and dogs.
Yes, but it means heavy rain.
Not animals? Just very strong rain?
Exactly. Say it with me. It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Pause the video and say it with us learners. It's raining cats and dogs.
Pause. My boss will understand now.
I feel sick today.
Then say, I am sick.
I can, or I can say I'm under the weather.
Are you under rain again?
No, it means I don't feel well.
Sick, tired, low energy?
Exactly. Repeat after me, learners. I'm under the weather.
Pause.
Good. Soft voice, natural rhythm. Your boss hears this often.
Yes, Paul. Another real-life problem.
New office, new people, silence.
Yes. Very uncomfortable silence. I want to break the ice.
Please don't hit anything.
So, it's not real ice?
No, it means start topping.
Make people feel relaxed?
Yes, a joke, a smile, a question. Say it with me. Let's break the ice.
Let's break the ice.
Pause and repeat after me, learners. Let's break the ice.
Nice. Short and friendly.
3 idioms already, and no animals were harmed.
English is strange, but useful.
This lesson is easy. A piece of cake.
Wait, where is the cake?
In your heart.
English is dramatic.
It means very easy.
Not real cake?
Sadly, no. Repeat after me, learners. It's a piece of cake.
Great job, learners.
Exam tomorrow. I must hit the books.
Violence again?
Haha, no hitting, only studying.
So it means study hard?
Yes, very common. Say it with me. I must hit the books.
I must hit the books.
Good, clear and strong.
Okay, we reach work late. Boss looks angry. I speak first. Sorry, it was raining cats and dogs.
Good.
I'm under the weather too.
Careful, don't overuse.
Oops.
But your English is natural now. The boss asks about the surprise meeting.
Oh no, secret.
Don't spill the beans.
Beans again?
It means don't tell the secret.
If I spill beans, everyone knows?
Exactly. Say it together. Don't spill the beans.
Don't spill the beans.
Pause and repeat, learners.
Nice. Clear B sound in beans. Now another real-life example. I'm late only once in a blue moon.
Very rare.
The moon is not blue?
Almost never. That's the idea.
So it means rarely.
Yes. Say it with me. Once in a blue moon.
Smooth and calm.
Notice something? Idioms sound scary, but meanings are simple.
Exactly. Natives think fast. Learners think literal.
Today, you're thinking like natives.
This coffee is expensive.
How expensive?
It costs an arm and a leg.
You still have both.
Thankfully, it means very expensive.
Repeat with us, learners. It costs an arm and a leg.
Nice rhythm, learners.
Do we understand each other? Are we on the same page?
Same book, same idea.
Yes, same understanding. Say it, learners. We're on the same page.
We're on the same page.
Great.
Work is done. My brain is tired.
Let's call it a day.
So we stop.
Exactly. Repeat, learners. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Perfect ending phrase. Today, you learned English that sounds strange but feels natural.
Idioms that don't mean the words you hear. Now, when natives speak, you won't panic.
You will understand and reply with confidence. Comment one idiom you will use this week. Practice it out loud again and again.
Subscribe for more real English stories. English makes sense now, and you can say it.